Today, I'm going to show you how to DIY your very own custom phone case using the Htv론트 phone case heat press. Here's what you'll find in the box when your Htv론트 phone case heat press arrives. To get started, open loklik Idea Studio and upload your design. Click Canvas Settings, select Phone Case Heat Press. Then choose your phone model. Upload your image. Resize and reposition it. Make sure it fills the green frame completely. Remember, the matte side of the sublimation film is the printing side. If your printer jams, usually because the sensor doesn't detect the film, place the label paper on the bottom left corner to help with recognition. If it still fails, attach an A4 sheet to the back to improve feeding and sensor detection. Then click Print. For best results, choose high-quality glossy paper and set the print quality high for your printer setting. Insert the film into your printer, and your design is ready. When the power button starts flashing white, it means the device is plugged in. Press the power button to turn it on. Press the temperature button. Red light, the lower heat plate. Yellow light, the upper heat plate. Set them to 135 Celsius and 135 Celsius respectively. Now press the time button. Yellow light, preheating. Red light, ironing. Set them to 5 seconds and 300 seconds. Put on your heat-resistant gloves and place the fixture inside the heating chamber. Adjust it according to your phone model, close the upper heat plate, and let it preheat for 5 minutes. Here's a pro tip: after the green light stays on for 10 minutes, place the film matte side up on top to dry for at least 5 minutes. It helps ensure better results. While waiting, stick the lens pad to the inside of your phone case. Mount the case onto the fixture. Then place the film matte side down in the chamber. Make sure it lays flat. Then close the lid. Once the temperature is ready, press the start button to begin vacuum sealing and heat transfer. When the red light turns green, the ironing is done. With gloves on, open the upper heat plate and peel off the film while it's still hot. Remove the case from the fixture. And just like that, your DIY phone case is complete. But that's not all. You can also create coasters, badges, and luggage tags. Just swap out the fixture to match the substrate you're using. It's super easy. Go give it a try.